Hi everyone, Wahl the Barber here. A quick HBO tutorial on how to modify your Wahl seniors by switching the stainless steel cutting blade to a ceramic one. It's simple and easy to do as a ceramic blade is a direct fit. So without further ado, let's jump straight into this tutorial. First step is to remove both of the screws at the back of the blade. I'm using a Phillips screwdriver for this. I find that the best thing to do is use a mat just in case if the screws fall, they're bouncing everywhere. When you do remove the blade, you might find hair from previous haircuts stuck on the blade. Just use your brush, knock all the excess hair off. Next thing we're going to do is remove the top cutting blade. So this is just easy as, so just pop it straight off. Likewise, at the same time, if you do see any excess hair on there, brush it straight off. Next thing to do, grab your ceramic blade, open it up. I'm just going to pop the blade back into the box, keep it nice and safe. So now that we have the ceramic blade, what you're looking to do is just replace it. It's a direct fit, so nice and easy. Pop it back on, back to back, just like so. Once you've done that, grab the static blade, place it back on top. Just align the screws, the screw holes. Make sure the switch lever is on the closed position. Pop the screw back on. Just gently start tightening up the screw. Not too tight because you're going to use this to be able to adjust the blade. So once I have done this and I've done it to a point where I'm happy with it, I'll change it back over. At this point, feel free to zero gap your blade. You know, you can move the static blade as close to the moving blade as you want to. Once you're happy at this point, fully tighten the screws. You know, I always give it another couple more checks just to make sure while I'm tightening it, it hasn't moved out of place. You know, I think at this point I'm pretty happy with that. So just gonna finish tightening it off now. You know, once I've done that, all I'm going to do is switch the clippers back on, make sure that they sound okay. To be fair, after swapping these ceramics over, I felt that the clippers are actually a little bit more quiet. You know, always double check at the end, make sure that your blades aren't overlapping with each other. Just run them past something, you know, that's more sensitive that you can feel. Just make sure it doesn't cut. Last thing you want to do is cut your customers. And there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a share with anyone who might find this helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification button for more barber videos and tutorials in the future. Once again, thanks for watching.